Hi, I am Amanda. Wish you all a Merry Christmas and welcome you to this episode of Digi Global Panvision.
Today's telecast is sponsored by Abhideep Developers Private Limited, Bangalore.
First, the top story. Mangalore, the Rome of the East, celebrates Christmas with devotion and gaiety. News headline from abroad. Mangalorean Catholics in London keep alive the Christmas tradition, organize door-to-door carol singing. Christmas crib at St. Joseph's Cathedral attract thousands in Abu Dhabi. Here's what we have in our local news. Whitsun Night enthralls Konkani music buffs in Mangalore. And in Entertainment Bash, we have songs from Whitsun Night to enthrall you.
Are you looking for a dream house in Mangalore? Abhideep Developers Private Limited Bangalore presents Sri Anantakripa Residential Apartments built on a prime location in Bijay in Mangalore. Facilities available: elevator of a 8-passenger capacity, generator for uninterrupted power supply, play garden, beautiful visitors lounge, party hall on terrace floor, society room, common toilet in ground floor, Jaguar fitting, Tata pipes for plumbing, Jal Arc Parryware CP fittings, Vertified Somani make tile flooring in the inside apartment, granite for lift and staircase area. Upcoming project Hat Hill, Mangalore. Contact Abhideep Developers Private Limited, Bluebirds Manor, Silver Cross Road, Jaipur, Mangalore.
News in detail. Mangaloreans celebrated the biggest festival, Birth of Jesus Christ, on the eve of Christmas on Monday, December 24th and Tuesday, December 25th with pomp and gaiety. Midnight Mass was celebrated in the churches all over the city, including the custom of lighting the tree, singing carols around it and presenting gifts on Christmas Eve of December 24th. The late-night carol singing and customary midnight mass ushered in Christmas festivities in the city on Monday evening. TV Digi World brings you clippings of the midnight mass held at St. Sebastian's Church, Bendore and Fatima Retreat House in Mangalore. Thousands of devotees attended the Christmas Eve Mass on December 24th late evening in different churches. St. Sebastian's Church in Bendore was lit up in colourful stars and the spirit of the season pervaded the atmosphere. Santa Claus in every corner, lush green Christmas trees adorned with a myriad display of glittering ornaments and tasty kuswar all ushered in a feeling of unbound joy.
देवसमोग आणि पवित्रत्म्याचो एकवट तुमच्या सवे आसू.
In Fatima Retreat House too, the devotees thronged at the midnight mass.
When Jesus came to us as man, the Son of God scattered the darkness of this world and filled this holy night with His glory.
Christmas is the biggest festival which is celebrated across the world. Carol singing is a tradition observed during Christmas. Mangalorean Konkans staying in London under the banner of Mangalorean United Konkani Association strengthened their bondings by visiting the houses of their members singing carols. Mangalorean United Konkani Association based in Nottingham organised Christmas carol singing on 2 Sundays, December 16th and December 23rd, with door-to-door visits to the houses of their members residing in London. The young and old joined in carol singing both in Konkani and English, with a view to enliven the spirit of Christmas among the brethren. Santa was the star of attraction, enacted by Vincent D'Souza and Joy Pinto, who made children happy by distributing sweets and gifts. The Christmas crib at the St. Joseph's Cathedral in Abu Dhabi has become the center of attraction once again this year, drawing the attention of large number of devotees. And interestingly, a Mangalorean hailing from Bijay working in Abu Dhabi made this crib. The crib is strategically placed at the center of the church and is impressive. Every intrinsic detail has been taken care of, from the mountains, the fields, the grass, the shepherds, the streams, the snow, the pathways. The creator of this impressive masterpiece is none other than Frank Alvarez, a Mangalorean hailing from Bijay. Frank has been mounting the cribs since several years at his residence in Abu Dhabi, and knowing his talent and creativity, and at the request of church authorities, he has volunteered to install this artistic piece with the help of his family members and friends. We have one more story coming up on the 6th Vincent night held in Mangalore, but after this short commercial break.
Are you looking for a dream house in Mangalore? Abhideep Developers Private Limited Bangalore presents Shri Anantakripa Residential Apartments, built on a prime location in Bijay, Mangalore. Facilities available: elevator of a 8-passenger capacity, generator for uninterrupted power supply, play garden, beautiful visitors lounge, party hall on terrace floor, society room, common toilet in ground floor, Jaguar fitting, Tata pipes for plumbing, Jal Arc Parryware CP fittings, vertified Somani make tile flooring in the inside apartment, granite for lift and staircase area. Upcoming project, Hat Hill, Mangalore. Contact Abhideep Developers Private Limited, Bluebirds Manor, Silver Cross Road, Jaipur, Mangalore.
Pinky Fashions for variety in dresses and dress materials. Buy one and get one free. Best quality of dresses for all family members. Jeans pants, terry-cotton pants, ready-made shirts at the most affordable rates. For women, very special offers. Just for ₹150, 2 saris. From the lowest range of saris to light quality jari saris, fancy saris and new design saris. Just for ₹125, 2 chudidar material. Short top chudidars, embroidery design chudidars. 2 baba suits, ₹80 only. 2 shirt pieces, ₹110 only. 2 pant pieces, ₹120 only. We are open on Sundays also up to 2 p.m. Just visit Pinky Fashions, Ajanta Complex near Shetty Traders, Milagros Crossroad, Hampankatta, Mangalore. Please note, we do not have any other branches. So visit Pinky Fashions.
Welcome back after the break. You are watching Digi Global Panvision. Vincent Fernandez, a popular Konkani singer of Mogachi Lara fame, held his 6th musical night at St. Rita's Church, Kasia on Sunday, December 23rd. 5th volume of his series of musical album Mogachi Lara was also released on the occasion. In his 6th musical night, Vincent enthralled the audience with his great performance. The 6th Vincent night, staged at Kasia High School grounds, mesmerized a packed Konkani audience here on Sunday, December 23rd. Konkan Kogul will remembers J.L. D'Souza of Lancy Constructions, Dubai, Father Fred Moniz, Father Vincent Menezes, parish priest of St. Rita's Church, Kasia, Dorothy D'Souza of Bluebird Caterers, Vincent Mendonça, Vice President of Parish Council, Gulabia Tauro, Secretary of Parish Council, and Mary Fernandez were the chief guests. Konkani Kogul Wilfiri Bembis released Vincent's musical album Mogachi Lara Volume No. 5 on the occasion.
कोंकणी लोक कोंकणी कार्यावळींक कोंकणी कवळ्यांक प्रोत्साव दिता आनी कलाकारांक प्रोत्साव दिता पूण लोकांक तांच्या पसंतीचें नितळ मनोरंजन दिवचें हो कायदो जावन आसा आमचो कलाकारांचो.
The chief guest, Walter Nandalike, editor-in-chief, DaijiWorld.com, said that despite work pressure in the Gulf, Vincent has managed to create 5 glorious albums in Konkani, which shows his love and commitment towards Konkani music.
गल्फाकारांक थोड्या पोटी आसूंक केल्लें कश्ट कित्याक म्हळ्यार तितले टेन्शनार आसतात ते दुबईत आनीक कश्ट पूण असले काळारी विन्सीन आपल्या कामामध्ये आपल्या पोतिणी आनी भुरग्यांमध्ये इतलो बिजी आसल्यार 5 कवळ्यो ताणें काडल्यो हे सगळ्यो 5 कवळ्यो ताणें गल्फांत रावनूच काडल्यो असल्या एका गल्फांत हळिल्ल्या कलाकारान 5 कवळ्यो काडचे निजायकी एक भोव वर्तें साधन जावन आसा.
The well-known Babuti band troupe from Kasia was honoured on the occasion on its successful completion of 102 years of service. Artists of Memory Group enthralled the audience with their superb acting and innovative humour. In our entertainment part, we will bring you some of the melodious songs from the Vincent night. But after this short break, so stay tuned to us, don't miss it.
Are you looking for a dream house in Mangalore? Abhideep Developers Private Limited Bangalore presents Shri Anantakripa Residential Apartments built on a prime location in Bijay, Mangalore. Facilities available: elevator of a 8-passenger capacity, generator for uninterrupted power supply, play garden, beautiful visitors lounge, party hall on terrace floor, society room, common toilet in ground floor, Jaguar fitting, Tata pipes for plumbing, Jal Arc Parryware CP fittings, vertified Somani make tile flooring in the inside apartment, granite for lift and staircase area. Upcoming project Hat Hill, Mangalore. Contact Abhideep Developers Private Limited, Bluebirds Manor, Silver Cross Road, Jaipur, Mangalore.
दिर्वें कोंकणी हप्ताळें सादर करता 246वी विल्फिनायट. जानेर 13 आयतारा सांजेर 6 वरार सान लुईस कॉलेजीच्या मुख्य मैदानार. तिकेट्यो सदांच्या सर्व सुवात्यांनी मेळटात. कार्यक्रम संपतच सिटी बसांची व्यवस्था आसा.